Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy. On the application of Messenger, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, we'll scrolling down until you find this window of Messenger and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.